We're going to start with half a medium onion cut into cubes, half a red pepper, also cut into cubes, 3 garlic cloves, 2 spring onions, 20 grams of ginger, 250 grams of aubergines, eggplant, cut into cubes, 200-gram chicken breast, to marinate the chicken, cornstarch, 1 teaspoon, quarter spoon of white pepper, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of regular oil. Mix well, marinate for 15 minutes. For the stir fry sauce, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, quarter teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 50 ml of water, stir until the cornstarch fully dissolves. Boil some water in the pan, add in a sprinkle of salt, a dash of oil, around a teaspoon, and blanch the aubergines for around 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the aubergine, drain it out and set it to one side. 3 tablespoons of oil into a medium hot pan. Fry the ginger on a medium heat until brown on both sides. Once the ginger is brown, discard the ginger. In with the marinated chicken. After about 40 seconds, turn your chicken over. Keep stirring your chicken until it's evenly brown on both sides. Once the chicken is evenly brown, remove it from the pan and set it aside. 2 tablespoons of oil into a medium hot pan. In with the onions and the peppers. A quick stir, and garlic. In with the aubergine. One teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Return the chicken. Add in the sauce we made earlier. One teaspoon of the chili bean sauce, link below. The rest of the spring onion. And mix. Once that sauce is reduced, we are done.